Every holiday on your calendar is a bill with a due date, and you already know all the dates. This is the Holiday Budget Command Center, a spreadsheet that turns that calendar into a funding plan. You list the days your family celebrates, give each one a budget, and it computes one number. What to set aside this month, so every holiday is funded before it arrives. No December scramble. No January statement shock. Let me show you around. Meet the Parker family, the sample plan that ships inside this file, shown honestly as sample data. It's July 24th. Their 11 active holidays add up to a $2,810 year. They've already parked $1,385 and spent $721.46 on the holidays that have passed. Every number in this video comes from their real, recalculated workbook. And one rule runs the whole file. You only ever type in the blue cells. It starts on setup. 14 built-in holidays with simple on and off toggles. The Parkers keep 11 days on and toggle off what they don't celebrate, like Hanukkah this year. 6 custom rows hold their own days, their anniversary in June and Diwali in November. Give each day a budget in the blue column, and the year budget computes itself, $2,810. Fixed dates even roll forward when you change the year. No annual reset, ever. The autopilot is the tab the whole file is built around. For every upcoming holiday, it takes the budget, subtracts what's already funded, and divides by the months left. Halloween needs $35 a month. Thanksgiving, $52. Christmas, $73.33. Add them all up, and the Parkers need $182.83 this month, which fits inside their $200 capacity with room to spare. One transfer a month, and December is already paid for. Every holiday gets an envelope, budget, funded, spent, and an honest status. Halloween is 99 days out and 60% funded, on track. Diwali and New Year's Eve are trailing the calendar pace, so the sheet says behind, out loud, while there's still time to fix it. And July 4th closed $1.20 over budget. It says that too. Honest beats cheerful every time. Where do the numbers come from? 2 simple logs. Spend money, 1 line on the spending log, date, holiday, category, amount. Move money into the fund, 1 line on the deposits log. That's the whole workflow. Every envelope, status, and chart reads from these 2 tabs. Even the honest stuff, like the $36 unplanned sparkler run that pushed July 4th over. Gifts get their own guardrails. Every recipient, every holiday, a cap and an idea, and when the actual lands above the cap, the sheet flags it. Mother's Day ran $2.40 over. Worth it? Probably. But now it's a decision, not a surprise. The Christmas list is already planned at $685 in caps, sitting comfortably inside the $1,000 envelope. 1 honest minute under the hood. This file runs 681 formulas. Before anything you've seen was filmed, the workbook was recalculated clean, 0 errors, and passed 40 out of 40 independent math checks, including one where every input is cleared and nothing breaks. Every screen in this video is that real file, and it works the same in Excel and in free Google Sheets. So here's the invitation. Tonight, list the holidays your family actually celebrates. It takes about 5 minutes. The sheet hands you 1 number a month, and every holiday after that is just a day, not a bill. The Holiday Budget Command Center is $18.97, one time, with 4 editions and free lifetime updates. Find it on Etsy. The link is in the description. Your calendar knows. Now your money will.